Poke analysis. Sorry for that annoying tone, guys. Anyways, this is Poke analysis, and today we're going to show you some of our favorite types, our least favorite types, our favorite Pokemon in those types, and our least favorite Pokemon in those types, their weaknesses and their resistances. Anyway, starting off, back to the point. At number 18, it's Fairy. Our most favorite Pokemon is Diancie because it looks like a rock, and it can just one-shot many Pokemon. It's the only Fairy legendary. Our least favorite Pokemon in Fairy is Sylveon. It inserts evolution. Just look at it. There's two freaking ribbons tied to its ears. Anyway, I don't want to elaborate on this, guys, so sorry. Its weaknesses are poison and steel. Typical, both bad types. Its resistances are bug, dark, and fighting. At number 17, here comes bug types. My favorite Pokemon is Scizor. Just look at it, man. It has two freaking claws and its speed is amazing, almost as good as Genesect. Our least favorite Pokemon in that is Weedle. Just look at it. It's a type. It's a bunch of tennis balls which are glued together and stacked on top of another, painted yellowish orange with a red tomatoish nose and two black peas for eyes and one ice cream cone on his head.
Look at it. Down. It looks like an ice cream cone has been turned upside down.
Anyways, its weaknesses are fire flying and rock. There you go, Charizard. Its resistances are fighting grass and ground. At number 16 is
the normal type. For the record, normal type is the dumbest type ever invented after Fairy. It's normal. Nothing else. Our favorite Pokemon of the normal type is Slacking. Just because it's so awesome. It can
one-shot most Pokemon, but it looks too fat. Anyway.
And because of its stupid ability, it can only attack once in 2 turns.
And now, our least favorite Pokemon is
Dunsparce. Dunsparce is the stupidest Pokemon ever made.
After Magikarp and Weedle. Anyway, its weaknesses are only fighting. That would be good, but still. Its resistances are none. If that game was a surprise to you, shame on you. Read some Pokemon. At number 15 is Poison. Our favorite Pokemon is Nidoking because he looks better than Nidoqueen, which came in a close second. Our least favorite Pokemon is Tentacool, which is the first basic stage of a jellyfish Pokemon which can do nothing except sting and poison you.
It has quite just 2 disadvantages. It's just weak against ground and psychic. But if you want to make a good poison type, it's good for resistances as it has 5. Poison, fighting, grass, bug and fairy.
It's very good for defense and it's like one of the top 3 types used in defense after I think electric.
And steel.
Yeah. So, here goes. Next is
fighting type.
Our favorite Pokemon is Machamp because he's his mother's champ and he works out so much. He has 10 abs and is pretty much
6
cool.
arms.
6 arms. 6 arms.
Imagine his bath.
Anyways, our least favorite Pokemon is Emboar. It's just, look at its face. It looks like a freaking burglar.
That will enter your house in the night and will tickle your feet.
It's also a fire type, but still, it's the stupidest thing ever invented. Its fighting type's weaknesses are fairy fang and psychic. Simple. Its resistances are also simple, but dark and rock. And number 13, Unlucky Rock. Our favorite Pokemon in rock types is Terrakion because it's a freaking legendary horse. And our least favorite Pokemon is Geodude. Just look at it. It's a small rock with eyes and a mouth. And the eyes just plan to stare at you and tell you how its brain Does the rock even have a brain? Is planning to take you down, which it can't even do. It's a useless Pokemon. And it has two small arms, which can do nothing. And it's flying above the ground. How can a rock even fly? Anyway, the weaknesses are water, grass, fighting, steel, and ground. Its resistances are fire, flying, normal, and poison. At number 12 comes
Ground types.
Our favorite Pokemon is Swampert because it looks so cool and has a freaking mega evolution that is so powerful.
I just love Swampert. First of all, it has the highest normal water ground stat that can be beat by no one. And our least favorite ground type is Quagsire. For the record, it's the most obnoxious Pokemon to battle with.
Yeah, exactly.
You take out an electric Pokemon.
Thinking that you will just one shot it because it's a water type, but then, lo
Lo
it's
and
a
behold.
ground type, and nothing will happen to it by electric types. Its weaknesses are water, grass, and ice. High above snow, and its resistances are poison and rock. At number 11 comes Ghost. A favorite Pokemon is Gengar. As if no normal Gengar wasn't scary and cool enough, Game Freak just had to give it a mega evolution. Will look so freaking cool. I think it's just really the scariest Pokemon. It should be. Our least favorite Pokemon is Bannet.
For the record, how can this happen? A doll thrown into the garbage coming and haunting its previous owner.
Exactly.
And it was from a puppet.
Yeah. Shuppet. Nice name. And Shuppet's pretty cute. But Bannet looks like its
It looks
weaknesses
like
are
garbage.
because it came from garbage. Duh. Its weaknesses are dark and ghost resisting ghost. And its resistances are poison and rock. Bug and poison, sorry. At number 10 comes grass. Sorry guys, I think if you would have expected it to come earlier, but still. A favorite Pokemon is Sceptile because it looks so damn cool.
Also, Sceptile is so awesome for introducing Leaf Blade. Who doesn't like Leaf Blade? It was also Ash's powerhouse in the Hoenn region, battling him through the battle frontier.
Yeah, exactly. And Charizard was too. These two Pokemon, I think Ash's Starter final evolutions are his best Pokemon. And in the Sinnoh League,
Infernape.
Ash's Sceptile, Infernape is another story. Ash's Sceptile defeated Darkrai.
Tobias's Darkrai. In fact, it was the only Pokemon to do so in the entire league. But then, that stupid legendary farmer had to bring out a Latios and tie
knock Pikachu out
with
and
itself after
kill-
knocking out Ash's Swellow.
Exactly. Who uses Swellow?
Swellow sucks.
Exactly. Anyways, least favorite Pokemon is Bellsprout. Bellsprout. It's just a freaking flower which looks to eat bug types.
And it's battling against Ash's Pikachu and it defeats it.
Even its Bulbasaur and it loses to Mach. Great. Anyways, Bellsprout, look at its face, look at its eyes, and look at its arms, leaves. Don't even get me started on that. Let's just move on to its weaknesses. Grass type's weaknesses are Fire, Flying, Bug, Ice, and Poison. Again, Charizard, and again. Anyways, its resistances are Electric, Grass, Ground, and Water. At number 9 comes Dak. Our favorite Pokemon is Tyranitar, just because it looks pretty cool. However, we kept Dark this low because there's no really good Pokemon. Allen uses two Dark types on this list. Tyranitar, which is our favorite and still gets knocked out by Pikachu, and Weevil, which surprisingly defeats Ash's Noivern. Anyways, now its weaknesses, Bug and Fighting. By the way, Weevil is our least favorite Pokemon.
Also, in Gen 6, Dark also just screwed up. The only good Dark type in Gen 6 was Greninja. That's it.
And it wasn't even
Which
a
was also
pure
the
Dark
coolest.
type. It's only
Later,
that
you'll
it's
see
just a water
how
type.
awesome Greninja and Charizard are.
The combo, it has no weaknesses, let me tell you. Anyways, moving on to its weaknesses. Dark types weaknesses. I mean. Bug and fighting. And then its resistances are dark and ghost. Ice types are our 8th favorite. Favorite Pokemon is Avalanche. It's just a freaking glacier. Don't even get me started how it became my favorite. We couldn't even find any better. We should have done a Bombasnow, but it was too fat. Anyways, our least favorite Pokemon is Jinx. It just doesn't know how to do anything.
Look at Jinx. Oh, I just hate it. Oh.
I abhor it, I loathe it. Its weaknesses are fighting fire, steel, and rock. And its resistances are only ice. Ice resisting only ice. Great. At number 7 is Psychic. Our favorite Pokemon is Mewtwo. Our least favorite is Abra. Simple, of course. And its weaknesses are about dark and ghosts. Its resistances are fighting and psychic. At number 6, it's Flying types. Our favorite Pokemon is Talonflame. Our least favorite is Delibird. It can just do deliver and looks like a freaking red
Santa
and white
Claus.
chicken. And Santa Claus. Its weaknesses are Electric, Rock, and Ice, and its resistance is about grass and fighting. At number 5 is
Steel
Our
type.
favorite Pokemon is Aggron, and our least favorite is Empoleon. It just looks sucky. Its weaknesses are firefighting and ground, and its resistance are okay. Take a long breath, guys. Bug, Dragon, Fairy, Ice, Grass, Steel, Psychic, Rock, and Normal. At number 4 comes Electric. Our favorite Pokemon is Zekrom. No surprises there. The Raichu and Pikachu and Pichu are second, third, and fourth. Our least favorite is Stunfisk, which just looks like a flattened puffer fish. Don't even get me started. It just has one weakness, ground, which is good, and it also has 3 resistances. Electric again, a type resisting itself, flying, and steel. It's so cool. At number 3, it's Dragon types. Our favorite Pokemon is Dragonite, and least favorite is Goodra. Look at Goodra. It's just a bunch of all purple jello stuck together. It somehow manages to battle. Ice Dragon and Fairy are its weaknesses. Again, a type resisting a type. And electric, fire, water, and grass are its resistances.
In first place, we tied up between fire and water.
First, let's listen to water.
Our favorite Pokemon from water and fire, respectively, are Greninja and Charizard. Look at Greninja and Charizard.
Greninja. Let's first talk about the Pokemon. Greninja is a favorite water type. Even I have to admit, my friend is right. It looks really cool. But the thing I don't understand is how does it perform attacks from its mouth and does lick when its tongue is tied around its neck? That is one thing I have to see on the internet.
Also, Greninja and Charizard, we've come to an agreement, are equal and are the best. High five!
Exactly.
High five! High five! Yeah, boy!
Magikarp is the least favorite water type Pokemon. It's the most useless Pokemon, and I'm sorry to say it comes under water type. Its weaknesses are electric and grass, simple. And its resistances are water, fire, ice, and steel. And at number 1 rank is
Fire!
A favorite Pokemon is Charizard, which is just the coolest looking dragon in existence. And not even
it's tied with Greninja. It's so awesome. They are the best. High five. High five, high five, high five. High five, high five, high five.
Anyways, Charizard, to beat that, Charizard has 2 mega evolutions. Anyways, I don't want to describe them because everybody knows you're the coolest. And you're looking at one right there. Mega Charizard X. It also has Mega Charizard Y, which is really cool. Its wings are much better than any other Pokemon. Darumaka is our least favorite Pokemon because only thing it can do is fart on its opponent. It can just give. I think it just has gas problems. Its weaknesses are water, ground, and rock, and its resistances are fire, bug, fairy, grass, steel, and ice. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video.
But before that, we just want to explain the types that resist themselves. Now, most of you might have come to a conclusion that adding more of a specific type to itself will just increase it.
Yeah.
You are half correct and half wrong. So now we'll be telling you the types and how to remember them that resist themselves.
Anyway.
The 9 types that resist themselves are fire,
Fire,
water,
water,
grass,
grass,
electric,
electric,
the 2 purple types, psychic and poison, the 2 new Gen 2 types, steel and dark, and the only one that resists itself, ice.
Only one that resists only itself is ice.
So you can remember it this way: the 4 elements fire, grass, water, and electric, which might also be a starter Pokemon considering Pokemon Yellow. And then the next is you can also remember the next 2 by thinking the Gen 2 new types, which are steel and dark.
Then the purple Pokemon and one more. Thank you.